I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account. First, navigate to the official PayPal website using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate and click on the prominent Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal account, ideal for individual use, or a business account, designed for merchants and organizations. Select the option that best suits your need to proceed with the registration process. Next, you'll need to provide some essential personal details. Start by entering your mobile phone number, which PayPal uses for security verification. Then, input your full legal name, a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password. Remember to combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy before moving forward. A crucial step is linking a payment method to your new PayPal account. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to securely add your chosen method. PayPal will then guide you through a quick verification process, which might involve small deposits or charges that you'll confirm. This step is absolutely essential for you to be able to send and receive money effectively. Almost there. The final step involves confirming your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal and click on the provided link. Once confirmed, your account is fully active. You can now explore your PayPal dashboard, where you can easily send money to friends and family, receive payments, and manage all your online transactions. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new PayPal account for all your digital payment needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.